If you ordered the premium package, then in addition to the 740-page book of maps, you also received this 22-week guided workbook for integrated personal spirituality. A recommended syllabus for working through this video course series is provided in your workbook, along with writing prompts for psychically attuning to your cards. Log your reading results for the Initiate's Tarot reading in your workbook. You will also find the instructions for this reading technique in the medium white book. Please have your medium white book on hand during this reading, along with the little white book that came with your Spirit Keeper's tarot deck. Start by setting down Key 0, the initiate, on the table in front of you. This is going to act as an energetic anchor for your reading. Hold the deck in both hands, feeling reverence and love toward all divine and sentient beings. Hear my words in your mind and heart, listening to me and encoding what I say as your own intentions. My words call to you the divine forces you seek for bringing you divinatory counsel. Angel who records, whose hand seals upon the book of remembrance, who bears witness to all, to enumerate every deed, since creation, from the beginning of the world to this day, from my cradle to my grave, I invoke you to read to me, to show me, to transcribe upon my heart, to place upon the mantle of my mind the pages of the book I petition for. Let it be the truth. Let that truth, come what may, ever be used to work the highest good. And so may it be. If you have a specific question you would like answered, present that question to the cards. If not, simply hold as a thought in your mind. Please reveal to me what it is I most need to see right now. Pause the video here if you need more time to write down your inquiry. Resume when ready. Now shuffle your cards. As you shuffle, repeat the question to yourself again. Hear it loud and clear in your mind. We are now going to shuffle the cards for 2 minutes. That's right, 2 minutes of meditative shuffling. Clear your mind. Do not tie your thoughts to anything of your world. Detach from all that otherwise ties you down. Lift away, fly to this beautiful open space and be free. Observe the landscape, this place out in nature that you have all to yourself, far from your world, far from the people you know, far from everything that you're otherwise attached to. Admire the stillness, the calm, the beauty, the infinity of possibilities this landscape holds. You are still shuffling your cards, as your mind focuses on the landscape, on this panoramic vista right before your eyes. You can think about the majesty of nature or admire the open sky. Keep your gaze steady on a horizon line, far into the distance. Your thoughts are far, far away as you shuffle your cards, far away from the mundane, far from your everyday worries. The sounds of daily life are muffled, even muted. Keep shuffling your cards. Clear your mind. Shuffle your cards, lift away, fly to this beautiful open space, and be free. Now set your cards down and rest both of your palms over them. Smile ever so slightly and rest your face into an expression of joy and peace of mind. Now draw a single card. Take a moment to be silent and still. Listen with your inner ear. Listen to your thoughts. What do you hear? Note which detail or symbol on the card pulls at your attention the most. Start by writing down the single card you've drawn. Next, closely examine and study the card's imagery and immediately write down the first symbol that catches your eye. Literal or figurative, this symbol is an omen that Spirit has sent to you, wants you to see, wants you to know, wants you to discern. Then write down the first keywords, any keywords at all that pop into your mind. Please tell your logic mind and your skeptic mind to sit out for this one. Whatever keywords and thoughts that are not in your character to come up with that are coming through, write those down here. If you find yourself needing more space to write, go to the back of your workbook and continue your free write there. You have your medium white book and little white book on hand, right? Look up that single card in both of these books and read. Read slowly and deliberately, knowing that what you're reading is the voice of Spirit coming through the pages and lines of text speaking to you. This is a tarot card reading, but also bibliomancy. If you need more time, pause the video here and resume when ready. At this time, free write a paragraph in a stream of consciousness style, all that comes to you about this card and what it is revealing to you in answer to your inquiry. You can also speak out loud to yourself, voicing all that comes to mind as if channeling the revelations, and the voice of a higher consciousness is now speaking through you. Pause here if you need more time to finish journaling on this page. Resume when ready. Now take a moment to be silent and still, to meditate on how the written passages might apply to you. Consider what impressions you are left with after reading the passages. When you feel ready to close the reading session and return to your ordinary state of consciousness, recite the following words as a personal practice of gratitude. Holy guardian angel, ever you are by my side, to light and guard, to love and guide. Hear my thanks for all that you provide. Holy guardian angel, ever you are by my side, to light and guard, to love and guide. Hear my thanks for all that you provide. And that concludes the initiate's reading.